It's in your smile and in your feet. It's high and low and in between. And I am glad to let you know, but only if you give me a kiss. Yeah, it's no secret at all. It's so obvious to all of us.
Were you dancing, Journey? Those shoes are slippery, sis.
A simple sign that you discourage me. Look into the world for encouragement. But the answer never seemed to come. I travel and roll, the lost and lonely, headed to a place where sin was only. Until Jesus turned me around.
You gonna dance? You gonna dance?
He turned me around.
It's really walking before you know it.
He gave me.
Who's out there? Is there birds out there? Birds? 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 Birds?
Yeah, drink nothing out of it.
One pretty classic donut.
Okay, that is chipped. I mean, it's got a little crack, so you'll probably have to do it.
My debit card is cracked.
Donut that I just dropped.
One free classic donut. Can we turn it in right now and get the free classic donut?
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. What is it? Priority mail tape. Where'd that come from? It's stuck on my shoe. Oh, we need a buggy. But we're here. We're at Big Lots right now. They have a 20% off friends and family.
Well, I'm gonna go get.
Yeah, so we're friends and family now. So we're gonna go look.
Get out of the
Journey's snoozing.
Thank you.
Hey, I want this table, guys.
Don't we have it?
No, our table's all messed up because y'all think it's like some kind of Craft City Central and gotta paint and make all kinds of stuff and scratch up my table.
You were the one that was cracking up.
I was only embroidering. It ain't gonna hurt it. My husband's looking at the rocker recliners. Probably gonna get one. Which one are we gonna get? I don't know. This one? No?
No.
Is it the swivel? Where's the swivel? Oh, this does wonders for my neck. I really like this chair.
I was seeing if it worked on me.
It doesn't work on you?
It sadly did.
Sadly, you ain't got enough neck. It takes years to build up this much neck fat. I really like this chair. I thought I was losing a lot of my neck fat. Thought I was doing good. I've lost weight. Can you tell? I've lost weight. Can you tell? Honey, I've lost a lot of weight. Can you tell? People looking at me. What are you looking at?
That one's a good bet.
I don't know. I like the colors. I don't know.
You like that?
Oh boy. All my kids are coming home with new cars. How exciting. You see your brother's new car?
She's a dog. Brand new tires practically, isn't it?
Corolla. Ooh.
Little red Corolla.
You just shined the wheels on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But those are alloy, not hubcap, right? No.
That's titanium alloy. She's waving to everybody going by. You see your brother's new car?
I don't think you need that State Farm thing no more. Do you have to return it?
I don't think so. That's why I kept it.
Seat covers?
I had these seat covers.
Oh, he had them in his other car.
Oh.
And I like the seats. I do.
Like the what?
Seats?
I said I like the seats on it.
Yeah.
I just don't want them.
Dude, I don't blame you.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, easy box.
But I don't think these are gonna fit very well. I wish I could raise this.
You can't go back.
I can.
Yeah.
I'll
You
push
look.
it forward. I like to sit closer.
Oh, it's got a sunroof.
Nunabelle, you need a brushing. You need a good brushing.
Bitch.
53,000 miles.
I asked Nathan whenever I was test driving it, old lady owned it. He didn't know, but then whenever I was like looking at the paperwork and stuff, the dude was talking about how old lady owned it.
If you ever get locked in your trunk,
Yeah.
that's your way out.
Good morning, everyone. So these are the orders that I was able to get done. Actually, there's another one in this box. It's but I am currently waiting on the little plastic bags. I ran out, and these right here, and I have more coming in the mail today. So as soon as the mailman comes, I'm going to package these up. This one and this one I need to make tutus for. These three are just shirts. That one is a set and it's tutus over here. It's this one, I think. Yeah. And yeah, so here's this tutu right here, which goes, they used to be stacked up there. But anyway, that's what I got going on so far today. I'm gonna try to get some work done. Hey guys, it is now 11:27. The mailman just came as we were leaving, so I still have to package up all those orders. And my tool did not arrive, and I need lavender tool. What? Baby? Is that baby? Is it your baby? Oh, Journey, can I have a kiss? Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you. Thank you. Can you say thank you? Thank you. Oh, you're so sweet. Hello. Hello. Can you say hi? Where's the eyes? Does baby have eyes? Yeah, it's got eyes. It's got a mouth. Yeah. Yeah. No, you have it. So sweet. But anyway, my husband's paying insurance right now. But I need to go get lavender tool because I didn't order any, and I need some. And my purple tool didn't show up, but it'll be in tomorrow. So.
Hi.
Oh. Hey, Journey. I love you. Yeah, I love you. Journey. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Can you say that?
Ba.
Ba. I love you. Where? Out there? I love you. Can you tell? Hey, can you tell the baby? I love you. Oh, can you say I love you? I love you. You biting her head. I love you. Are you wearing sharks? Are you wearing shark pajamas? Dada? Can you say bird? 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 Can you say bath? 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 Bird? Bird? Can you say baby? Can you say baby? Can you say baby? Hey guys, we're at Hobby Lobby.
Shannon, Leo, Shannon, Leo.
This one's better.
That one's better.
Yeah.
Your guess is as good as mine.
What is that?
I have no idea.
Oh, it's not. If I was not confused.
Oh. I got squishies at Hobby Lobby for $5. There's a big strawberry straw.
I have that strawberry.
I thought Squishies was out.
Well, they've only just begun. So I had to pick up some lavender tulle, so I'm getting 2 just so I have some. I need purple. I have purple coming, but I need it today. So I got this. And then, well, and then I saw these for $2.50. She'll fit them maybe in the spring. Hey guys, we're home. Journey is down here sleeping, so I'm gonna try to be quiet. Hopefully she'll take a nap. We just left her in her car seat. Let me just show you. So, over here. So I'm going to work on a few, gotta work on a couple of tutus, so that goes with some of these orders. I was waiting for a tool order, another one. My first order, I was just ordering okay. Anyway, I had to answer that. So she's awake. Sissy, will you unbuckle?
Yeah.
If you unbuckle her and then just close the door. Hopefully I'm not cutting these. Okay. So I have a, I don't even know what I was saying. But I have a few orders that I need to make hair bows for, and I need to make tutus for and package up. I was out of these. People ask what I use, and these are like the poly bags. I have experimented with different sizes, different things, and these I've always gone back to this size. So this size is actually 8 by 18, so it's 8 inches across and they are 18 in length, and I use that for both my shirts and my tutus. Mainly it's great for tutus, because usually you don't have a tutu that's longer than 18 unless it's for, a big 18 inches unless it's for a big person. This I got off eBay, and it was $26.40 shipped to me. So I gotta put this over there. So I've got 300. I bought 300 bags. I try to buy in bulk when I can. Like if I have the money to buy in bulk, I prefer to buy in bulk because you get them cheaper. Oh, you found your, that was from earlier. Yeah, so if I bought one, it was going to be like $13 and something. So buying 3, you know, I just doubled. So basically got one. And then I checked on, because these come off the Uline website. So if you go to uline.com, you can get this particular one. It's $40 a box, and it is 1,000. There's 1,000 in a box. Okay, so that's a great deal, but you got to pay shipping, and the freight charges was like $20-something. So it was going to be $60-something for 1,000. After I did the math, these, buying it this way off eBay, this just turns out to be like 8 cents a bag, I think. And if I ordered from Uline, it would be 6 cents a bag. So either, you know, there's 2 cents. So yeah, anyway. What's she doing? So here's the, got that. Let's see, what else did we get in the mail? Everybody's like using these packaging and just, I thought I was getting more stuff. I was expecting more packages. Like I thought maybe my tool order would be in. It's actually probably at my post office right now. But anyway, that's cool. That is cool. So I had to order more glitter vinyl. I actually have to I think I have to order more. What in the world is this? I just know what that is. Okay. Is this what I ordered? Alright. So I ordered a pink, a light pink, or let's see, I ordered a hot pink, a light pink, and a tarnished gold. So those are going to go downstairs. Okay. I was running a little bit low on white. Why is it like this? It'll work, but it's not the same. It's like, it feels really, it's not, I don't feel like this stuff. She farting. I don't feel like this stuff. It's really thick. And so is this other one. And okay, so I ordered a yellow. I never ordered yellow before. I just wanted to see what it was like. This isn't the shiny glittery stuff. So yeah, that one's perfect. Okay, and then I ordered this, which is the mirrored, the really thick stuff. I don't like using that stuff, but I must have messed up when I ordered. That's all I can say, because I thought I went to the regular. Yeah, it's supposed to be, but it's not, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So it's glitter mirror canvas vinyl for sewing and embroidery. So that's what that is right there. Glitter marine vinyl. That's where we went wrong. Okay. So why? I got it out of the same. Anyway, okay. So what I use, this one is what I used to use for Jojo Siwa. This white just feels different. Anyway, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. yeah, so this is the marine. So if you don't know what that is, it's just really thick stuff. I actually have some of this downstairs in different colors. I have a blue, I don't remember what other, purple maybe? I don't know. But yeah. What I was hoping for is like, when I first did JoJo Siwa, I did her hair in a glittery gold, but it wasn't like the tarnished gold, like this gold. It was a more of a, I don't know if you can see the colors. So it was more of a yellowy gold. So that's what I used for her hair, and that's what I was thinking I was ordering some more of. But I didn't.
Because I smell it.
But then I wanted to see about this yellow, because this yellow would work good too. So this would also work good for Rapunzel, because I use gold on Rapunzel's hair too. Anyway, aside from that, that's what I got there. And then I had to order more stabilizer. And the stabilizer, if you get it off Amazon, is like 20 bucks, like $19.99. If you do Prime, you know, free shipping. So I did that, and I had, yes, yay! So I had this in my cart forever, but everything I order off Amazon is not shipped by Amazon. And the only way I could get this item, it was an add-on item, the only way I can get it is if I did $25 worth of Amazon, shipped by Amazon products. And I could get, this is the shampoo we use for Journey. We have been out of it for probably, I don't know, 2 or 3 months. But this stuff is like amazing. So it's so amazing. This is like Journey style. Oh yes, that smells like Journey. So
Let me smell it.
you want to smell Journey? Is that Journey?
Yeah, that's Journey. I think she did poop.
Did you poop again? You want to smell it? This is for bath. I can smell it too. You smell stinky. Woo woo. So I was able to get this because I ordered the stabilizer, which is 100. Yeah. 100 medium weight stabilizer. But because the stabilizer was not $25. I had this bra in my baby registry forever, just because I wanted to order it. And when I see stuff, I just I used to, I don't do it anymore, but I used to just put it it would be like add to baby registry. Not that I'm looking for someone to buy it or anything like that. I just add it, so I guess it's kind of like add it to your favorites so you can go back and buy it. So yeah, I needed a new nursing bra, so I ordered this one. It looks fun, and it was just $6.99, and if I like it, I might order another one. But let me get busy, and I gotta change the diaper. Hey guys, we're here at the post office. We just made a mad dash. It's really dark. Hi guys. So it is 7 o'clock at night right now. I've been crazy busy working on stuff, trying to get some stuff done. It's hard to work when, you know, you have Journey. It's just hard to work when you have Journey. But I was able to put her down for a nap, and got a little bit of work done, and was messaging. I have lots of messages I was trying to answer, and I don't have anything to make for dinner. I really need to go to the grocery store. I need to buy meat. I have things to make things, but I don't have, like, I have stuff to make chili. I don't have no burger to put in my chili. I have stuff for spaghetti. I don't have nothing. I always put meat in the sauce, so I don't have any meat to go on the sauce. I have stuff for like pork chops, if we did pork chops and did like baked potatoes. I don't have pork chops. I don't have no meat. I don't have nothing. And we are the type of people that have to eat meat. So it's like, there was something else I had, and I was like, oh, I can make that. Oh no, I can't. So I'm just gonna call an order to Channel Walk really quick, and that's what we're going to eat for dinner.
Channel One, may I help you?
I'd like to call in an order for pickup.
Okay.
I'd like to get a General Tso's chicken meal.
Yes. Okay.
A sesame chicken meal.
Okay.
And then an order of the sauteed broccoli.
Okay.
And that's all.
Name, please. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. She's so nice. we always order from her. So anyway, so yeah, that's what we're eating for dinner. And yeah, so I gotta get busy. I need to make more hair bows. Uh-oh. Woo, girl, getting it. Woo. You're getting it though, aren't you? Yeah. Papers on the floor. That's part of your sister's schoolwork. Let's see. I think that came out of one of her. Yep. Sisters. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Bye. Yeah. You got it, girl. Woo-hoo-hoo.